I'm just going to show you now how you can actually put a newborn baby into a stretchy wrap without having to spread their legs very wide. Sometimes people can be a little concerned about just how wide the M shape can end up with a stretchy wrap. So I'm just going to show you just how neat and tight the little M shape can be for a newborn baby. So as you can see, I've already put my stretchy on. I've tightened it enough so there's only just enough bounce so that with the fullest point of the stretch, that's where my baby's bottom is going to end up. So now I've got my baby safely, still quite small, still quite tucked up. I'm going to support him carefully on my shoulder, and then I'm just going to put each pass over my baby's foot into the knee pit. I'm just going to gently move my baby to my opposite shoulder, and then I'm going to put the second pass over my baby's foot into the knee pit. So you can see the cross pass is beginning to form. Now I'm just going to gently settle my baby down onto my chest. So you can see, baby is still quite tucked up, feet are still quite close together. They're not really spread very wide apart. And here you can see the gently curled J shape with a good pelvic tuck, and baby's chest is still very close to mine, and we've got the M shape up, down, which is what you expect from an M shape, but it's not really wide on either side of my body, so actually your body shape makes no difference. It's just how your baby sits on your front. I'm now going to spread the fabric. I'm going to choose to do a pre-flip this time. So I'm going to take the outside hem of my fabric and I'm going to turn it inside itself, and then I'm going to spread that gently across my baby's back, making sure the baby's sitting well inside a pocket of fabric. And as I've done a pre-flip, my baby's now got a nice clear airway already. Keeping their arms up, I'm going to do the same on the other side, but this time I'm just going to do a straight spread from my neck hem, from one knee pit to the other, and up to the back of my baby's nape. I can put the hood over if I want. So you can see how my baby's now in an M shape, but it's a nice, tight, well-tucked, narrow M shape, which is going to be very comfortable for them. And you can see how well supported they are. I'm just then going to put my third layer on, which is just come down the sides here and bring it over each foot one by one, and spread that up across my baby's back. And so my baby is now legs out, but still in a tucked, tight M shape as opposed to a very wide one. I'm comfortable, baby's comfortable.